Hello everyone. I've got some notes I want to share. So I've got a project. I have here two packages. Well, the main idea here is that I'm trying to create annotation. So here it is. It's called my logger. Um, so here's the in this package I've got my logger service, and here I have this method. It's very simple. I'm just logging here this like phrase processing, and under this method I've got annotation my logger. So what I'm trying to achieve is that I want before and after this method have some logs. Well, and okay, let's see how I'm doing it, and I will show you how it works. So here is my annotation. It's very simple. Target, as you can see, it's for method. Next we have here enabler. So enable this annotation, enable my logger. And as you can see, I have here, so it's type, it will be on for class, and the important annotation, it's here import. So because we have let's jump to another moment, and we will return here, and I will explain a little bit deeply about this very important moment here. So I've got here my logger aspect. So it's just an aspect. So we use aspect-oriented programming, things like that. And here I have this method, and with annotation around. So, and here I've got this instruction that apply this to every method which annotated with my logger. So that's simple. Here I have join point. So this is how we invoke our call our method. So for example, specifically in our example, we have method process. So here, this is how we invoke so our method, real method. So in our specific case, it will be process. And as you can see, before and after, I have this logs, and also I do some calculation here. It's like execution time, nothing interesting. So just I do current time. So, and here we have this. Yeah, and let's get back to so you see because this bean, so you see it's component, so it should be bean, but because it in a separate package from our this test Spring application class, this bean won't be created. So we need to force, so we need to tell Spring Boot that you have to take this bean and this component and create a bean. So how can we do it? So, and here we have this annotation, enable my logger. And here we specify that this class, so we should take this class and create a bean. And create, yeah, and also create a bean. Like, let me show you. So here it is, custom logger configuration. So it's a configuration. Well, configuration, it's also a bean, of course, as we know. Also, here's the very important annotation here that we should do this enable auto proxy because we are working with aspects, and here we create this bin my logger aspect, so this one, yeah, and we have this annotation here, as you can see, enable my logger. This Spring Boot application class, I've got command line runner. So what I will do here, well, first of all, let's pay our attention to this. So we have my logger service, and I just invoke this process method, call this process method. Well, let's run, let's see how it works. Okay, as you can see, so here is our processing. So here it is. And we have logs before, after, execution time. So things like that. Now, here I want to show you a couple of tricky moments. Well, first of all, let me show you, I've got here post construct for my logger service. And I have here also logs for this bin, my logger service. I call this log from the command line runner and from a post construct. So what's the point here? Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, post construct. Here it is. Yeah. So post construct. Okay, class name. Is it AOP proxy? Is it this proxy? This proxy? And as we can see, okay, so false, false, false. So it's not a proxy, but it should be. It must be. It have to be. So let's see. But when we try to call these methods in a command line runner, we can see that it shows us. Let me show you. So you see, it's the same object. Yes, but now it's AOP and this CG lib. I don't know. So this proxy. Just reminder, it's not a dynamic proxy because we do not use any interfaces in this class. So this is why it's this one. So yeah, why? It happens because of we've got like life cycle of the bin, and in this life cycle, post constructs happens before we will have proxy. So proxy will be created, edited, and so on. So another very important, tricky moment here, very important. So let me show you. So we will do something like this. We will remove this annotation here, and we will call this subprocess method. It doesn't matter. So this subprocess method will log this text here, and so you probably if you do not know, suspect that we will have something like, so we will have this log here. After that, because we have this annotation here, we should have this log before, then processing subprocess, and well, after, and execution time. So let's run and let's see how it works in reality. So in reality, we will have only these two logs, and that's it. So it happens because of this proxy mechanism, and So how we can so if you want this be that way, so you want to invoke this subprocess and have this logs around this subprocess, you have to create separate, let's say, bean or service, doesn't matter, yeah, how you call it, component, and invoke it from there. So this is the tricky moment. And so what else I want to mention here? Let's return everything back. So let's comment and comment. So now it's working. So and what we're gonna do, let's just check that everything is fine and it's working. Yeah, so as you can see, everything is fine. So again, hope, so things like that. But let's here. Oh, sorry. From that, yeah, from our configuration, we will remove this line here, and let's see what will happen. So as you can see, it works fine even without this annotation, because it's already included in Spring Boot, but it is a good practice, I think, and well, as I see it on our other examples, so we should leave it here, I think. Yeah, and as we can see, I have here enable retry. It's from our previous videos. As you can see, we also have here this annotation. So, well, it's a good practice to have it. Like, I think it's best practice to have it here. So, well, we'll leave it. Yeah, so okay, probably that's it. Thank you for watching.